Please subscribe this WikiTech channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the latest updates. Hi everyone, this is Jason from WikiTech. Hi guys, recently the Samsung launches two mobile phones in India. One is called Samsung Galaxy M11 and the other one is Samsung Galaxy M01. So in this video, let's look at the complete specs and the overview, design, everything. So let's look into the video. Whereas if you look into this physical overview of the Samsung Galaxy M11, at the front side we have seen that it comes with a punch hole display, and also at the back side we have seen that triple camera setup, where the primary sensor is 48 megapixel along with the LED flash, and also we have seen that at the rear side there was a fingerprint reader, and also the bottom side we have seen that there was a Samsung logo. On the right hand side we have seen that there was the power button along with the volume rockers, whereas on the left side we have seen the SIM card slot. On the other hand side, if you look into the Samsung Galaxy M01, it comes with a V-shaped display. If you look at the back side of the M01, at the back side we have seen that dual camera setup along with the flash, and also at the bottom we have seen that there was a speakers was available at the bottom side. In middle of the back side we have seen the Samsung logo, and also on the right hand side we have seen the power button along with the SIM card slot. On the left side we have seen that volume rockers. Whereas guys, the Samsung Galaxy M11 and M01, both these phones comes with 3.5mm audio jack port, which was located at the top side of the phone. If we're talking about the build quality, whereas the Samsung Galaxy M11 and Samsung Galaxy M01, both these phones comes with the glass at the front side, and whereas the back and the frame comes with the plastic body. If you look into the display, the Samsung M11 comes with 6.4 inches TFT LCD screen display. If you look into the screen to body ratio, it comes with 81.6% screen to body ratio, and also if HD plus display guys, it comes with 720 into 1560 resolution at 268 ppi pixel per density. On the other hand side, if you look into the Samsung Galaxy M01, it comes with 5.7 inches TFT LCD screen display. It's also HD plus display, the resolution of 720 into 1520 resolution at a pixel of 295 ppi pixel per inch. If you look at the screen to body ratio, it comes with 77.5% screen to body ratio. Whereas guys, the Samsung M11 and M01, both these phones comes with Android 10, and also it comes with One UI 2.0 version, where the Samsung Galaxy M11 comes with Snapdragon 450 and it's a 14 nanometer architecture. So guys, keep in mind which consumes the more battery, and also the CPU gets heat very quickly, and it's octa-core processor. If you look at the GPU, it comes with Adreno 506 GPU. On the other hand side, if you look into the Samsung Galaxy M01, it comes with Snapdragon 439 processor, and also it's built up with 12 nanometer architecture, and also if you look at it, it's also octa-core processor, and whereas it comes with GPU Adreno 505. Whereas guys, if you're talking about the camera, whereas then the Samsung M11 comes with a triple camera setup, whereas here M01 comes with dual camera setup, whereas here the triple camera setup was like this. Here the primary sensor comes with 13 megapixel f1.8, and the secondary sensor and the secondary camera is wide angle is for 5 megapixel f2.2, and there was a depth sensor f2.4, and also here there was LED flash, and it can able to record 1080 at the rate of 30 frames per second. On the other hand side, if you look into the M01, it comes with a dual camera set. The primary sensor is 13 megapixel f2.0 and also 2 megapixel f2.4 for the depth sensor. It's also can able to record 1080 at the rate of 30 frames per second. Whereas if you're talking about the front side camera, whereas the Samsung Galaxy M11 comes with 8 megapixel f2.0, and here M01 comes with 5 megapixel f2.2. Both these phones M11 and M01 comes with a single speaker, and also there was a dedicated audio port for 3.5mm audio jack port. If you're talking about the connectivity for these phones, supports the 4G, 3G and 2G as usual, and also Wi-Fi was support, and also hotspot as usual, and also Wi-Fi direct was also enabled here. The Bluetooth version M11 and M01 comes with Bluetooth version 4.2 version, and also GPU was support along with FM radio, whereas the M11 supports the Type-C port, and whereas M01 comes with USB 2.0. If you're talking about the sensors, whereas the M11 comes with accelerometer sensor, proximity sensor, light sensor along with the fingerprint sensor at the right side, but whereas here M01 it comes with a light sensor, accelerometer sensor and proximity sensor, but there was no fingerprint sensor in the Samsung Galaxy M01 version. Whereas the M11 comes with 5000 mAh battery at 15 watts watts fast charging support, whereas this M01 comes with a 4000 mAh battery. Whereas guys, M11 is available in two variants, 3GB RAM, 32GB at a cost of 10,999 rupees, and the second variant is 4GB RAM, 64GB storage at the cost of 12,999 rupees. Whereas if you look into the M01, it was available in only one variant, 3GB RAM, 32GB internal storage. If you look at the price, its cost is around 8,999 rupees. Whereas both these phones was available in three different colors. If you look into the Samsung Galaxy M11, it was available in metallic blue, black and violet color. Like that, if you look into the colors in the Samsung Galaxy M01, it's also available in three colors. They are black, blue and red color. Here are the specs and specifications of the Samsung Galaxy M11 and M01. Hey guys, I would like to talk with you one thing. After GST, the features in the phone was like this and the prices was like this. We could not compare the prices and the features what we're getting in the phone. But due to that, behind that, the Samsung Galaxy right now they're launching two mobile phones, M11 and M01. Well, the M11 comes with Snapdragon 450, it's 14 architecture processor. But if you look at the price category, it comes with two variants. The base is around 11,000 and the 4GB RAM is around 13,000 rupees. I don't know why they bring the prices like this. Realme Narzo 10A, Realme Narzo is the best option when compared to the 11,000 segment. If you're talking about the 13,000 rupees, in Samsung mobile only, Samsung Galaxy M21 series, its cost is around 12,699 rupees. Right now I was doing review on this mobile, so it is one of the best option when compared to the M11. If you compare the processor, everything, because the M21 comes with Exynos 9611 processor and the back side triple camera 48 sensor was there. But why they're bringing M11 with this price, I don't know. So guys, before purchasing anything, just think twice whether what you're investing in the market, whether you're getting it back or not. So like that, if you look into the Samsung Galaxy M01, so there was alternatives. So Realme Narzo 10A was good, and also Moto G8 Powerlite also good when compared to the M01. And also recently Infinix Hot 9 also releases a processor with Helio P32, so the processor is also little bit of good when compared to the Snapdragon 439 SoC. But anyhow guys, it's up to your decision. It's your money, your decision, so that's why. But anyhow, think twice before investing anything in the market. That's it in this video guys. I hope I provided all the information. If you have any specific questions between the Samsung Galaxy M11 and M01, please ask in the comment section. I was very happy to assist you. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me. If you don't mind, please subscribe our channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notification. Thank you for the love, support and commitment. See you very soon. Take care.